Made of mirror polished 18 to 10 stainless steel for durability and easy cleaning. Aluminum disc layered bottom for even heat distribution and prevents hot spots. Tempered glass lid with steam vent to view food, riveted handles stays cool. Reinforced rim for long heating, used for canning/jarring, oven safe to 350 F. Induction compatible, works on gas, electric, glass, ceramic, halogen, etc. Included components: 12 quart stockpot, glass lid. The Cook and Home 12 quart stainless steel stockpot saucepot with lid is made of mirror polished 18 to 10 stainless steel for durability, appearance, easy cleaning. Aluminum disc layer in bottom for even/quick heat distribution and prevents hot spots. Tempered glass lid with steam vent to view food while cooking. Riveted handles are comfortable and stay cool for carrying. Reinforced rim for long heating and pouring. Large size for multi-purpose function and can be used for canning and jarring. Induction compatible. Works on gas, electric, glass, ceramic, halogen, etc. Oven safe to 350 F. Dishwasher safe. Top reviews from the United States. Love this perfect pot. We bought this pot in January of 2019, over a year and a half ago at this writing. Truthfully, we hesitated to buy it because of the inexpensive price. We needn't have worried. This pot has been as perfect a pot as a pot can be. About every 3 weeks, we cook up a huge vat of vegetable stew. Afterwards we carry this very heavy concoction to the garage refrigerator to cool. This pot has sturdy covered handles that even come loose and protect against the heat. The best feature of this pot is that the thick stew doesn't burn on the bottom, like the flimsy aluminum pot that was its predecessor. With that old pot, if we didn't constantly stir, the vegetables would quickly glom onto the bottom, and if we let it go a little longer without stirring, there would be an inch or two of burned veggies that would ruin the taste of the entire batch of veggie stew. That happened more than once, and after all the prep of chopping and slicing, the veggie stew was a terrible thing to waste. Not a problem with this pot. We haven't had any burned veggies since we bought this pot. The mirror finish is still sparkling and unscratched. The clear glass lid is vented so it can stay on the pot without cracking the lid open. The dimensions of this pot are just what we wanted. We put it through the test and it passed with an A+.